there's many factors to have repeat business. It's not just the product itself, okay? But we need to innovate our solutions, change, like for example, whatever we have in Singapore. I mentioned about, I went to World Telecom talk about Tale of Two Cities. I have to, with the domain knowledge that we have to create another solution on another technology relevant to Hong Kong. Okay. So that's how we differentiate ourselves. It has to be relevant to the market that you bring the product to, and the technology will have advanced. Okay. Just like we built first generation, then the next stage when you repeat the business, you have to look at the solution all over again and see whether you have to change the solution because technology has moved. As I shared with you, from 1 gig to 100 gig. So things will be much faster, the screen size will be changed. So the solution that we built on, say, the normal desktop, you have to think about how you deliver the same experience, cut off whatever, and screen it, and reduce it to the form factor that is now. Today, the iPhone is only that size. What about in future? When I was in Hong Kong, people already asked me, can you develop, I talked to Takra. Takra is a famous distributor in India for distribution of a lot of things. They asked me, can I have internet on my watch? That time I was not really looking into product innovation, but that's the kind of things. So the technology is moving, so you can be providing such solutions already. And I think Ryan was saying that you're going to do that on wallet, right? Your speakers on what wallet size, something like that? Oh, I see. So sorry, I was going to ask you whether the form factor changed.
All right, maybe the last question for you. Yeah.
Hi, Ryan. My name is Humping. As for a young company with such high revenue, so what's your focus of your current business strategy? I'm more focused on marketing or focused on R&D, as for both of them are critically important for young companies. So this is the first question. If you are focusing on R&D...
I think they'll address the first question.
Okay, yeah.
I think for a young company, we can't spend money everywhere every single time. We can only invest the limited that we have in the most important area at that moment. Like when we first started, we needed a product, so we needed to outsource a few items, get engineers together, put a small team first, and then start there. But after we got the product, we hands off R&D for a while. We said better start the product first before you make anything else. So we started hiring sales guys and regional sales guys and experienced ones, not freshies or anything. So experienced regional managers that has been in our industry for quite a while, they have contacts just like I do. So I had a few of them, and I said, so this is where we started focusing our resources at the start. We said, build up the front line, something's got to sell. So over time, we built up a strong enough sales team for the first 1 year, 1.5 years. Then we decided, okay, we need to create another product, so we expanded the R&D just a bit more, and then created that product, which is QnA. But after this, we started going to marketing, and we started saying, okay, now that the sales, now that we're in 50 countries, so it's time to start doing some branding, some PR into the countries itself. So we started expanding into marketing and started putting more money there. This year, now that the brand has been going fine and the distribution share has been going fine, this year we're spending a lot more money in R&D. Now that we have like 60 of our countries, or we distribute to these many countries, investment in R&D is a lot more with it. The return you get is a lot better because now one product that you create sells to a lot more customers. So now more so than ever, it's safer to invest a lot more into R&D because you know you can sell it off. So yeah, I think resource allocation is about timing when you start a business.
And the second part of your question?
Thanks for this question. You are focusing on R&D. As for the speaker discount market, I believe finally you reached the point of diminishing return. Do you consider
extremely particular about product. So if we do find one that's good enough, we will launch it. But we won't just take everything on board and put it on our brand.
Yes, this is important. What kind of company are you trying to incubate?
Well, we're looking at few. We haven't decided yet.
Hardware or
Where did you, you know?
synergy with yours?
Okay, here's an example. There's this company doing like mini guitars. Okay, a guitar is like cute.
Italy.
Yeah, it's this small, right?
I saw one in your office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We played with it, and it's a really smart idea, really fine guitar. But what they lack is sound. So when the inventor came to see, he said, he said I have this guitar, and I actually showed the guitar with the XP. I was wondering if there's something about it. And then we looked at it and said, yeah, we can actually integrate the drivers and our sound into the guitar. So, that you can just play straight off and there's speakers in them. So there's some companies that has some synergy to what we do. So, they need drivers themselves. We don't want to whole guitar, it's too complicated. So, but we are good at that sound. So what we can do is, we can create a driver for them. How many units they sell these.
Has to do with sound or something that along your core competence.
Yes, sound. I mean, at this point, that we've got so many kind of drivers and different product range. It's easier to go this route, but it's not the only route that we will look at. Techie that looks across in our whole product range as well.
Okay, at Prof request, we have one last question. Yes.